Olive Oil Spanish Kitchen. My name is Aran and she is Yoko. In this channel you will learn how to prepare the most delicious Spanish recipes. So today I bring you a recipe. It's from Galicia. Today we are gonna make pulpo a la gallega. This recipe is so easy. You just need 3 ingredients. You need octopus, potatoes and paprika. You can use sweet or hot paprika as you prefer. And the ingredients we always use: salt and olive oil. So let's cook. For this recipe I'm going to use a small octopus, 1.4 kilogram, 2 potatoes and sweet and hot paprika. First, we are going to wash the octopus under the tap. You have to remove his mouth, clean very well inside his head, and clean all the tentacles. As you can see, they have dirt inside. We are going to bring water to boil in a pot without salt. We have to introduce the octopus 3 times. We do this so that the skin doesn't come off. Count 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a third time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the octopus in the pot. I'm going to cook it together with the potatoes. If you need to cook more potatoes, you can use a larger pot, or you can cook them when you finish cooking the octopus in the same water. This octopus weighs 1.4 kilograms, so I'm gonna cook it for 20 minutes. If your octopus weighs about 2 kilograms, leave it for about 25-30 minutes. And if it weighs about 3 kilograms, leave it for 40 minutes. Take out the potatoes and let the octopus rest in the water for 15 minutes. While we can peel the potatoes, be so careful, they are so hot. Cut them into slices and place them on a plate. Remove the octopus from the pot and chop head and legs. If you want, you can use scissors, but I prefer use a knife so that the slices are thinner. I'm going to use 2 legs per person. Place the slices on top of the potatoes and add salt flakes, sweet paprika and hot paprika, and a lot of olive oil. And it's ready! Don't throw away the cooking water. You can freeze it and use it as a broth to make, for example, paella, fideuà or croquettes. The octopus that I have left over, I'm going to put it in bags and I'm going to freeze it. With the legs, I will make this same dish another day, and I'm going to chop the head and use it to make a seafood salpicón another day. And my favorite moment has arrived. Time to try it. What do you think, guys, about this octopus? It's so soft, believe me. It's so wonderful. It's very good. If you have the opportunity to buy the octopus fresh, rare, buy it. We will see you in the next video. Bye!